VW Beetle trailer. I had to turn off my XM radio because for some reason YouTube wants to ban my videos in certain countries and say that it's some other song than what it is, and I don't know, it's just the radio playing. It's not like I'm doing a music overlay. But been working probably about the last 20 something hours doing all this part right here where they welded in the metal over the dash is really rough. Had to wipe that about 4 or 5 times. You know, it's thin coats each time, but you got to block it down and keep going until you get it flat. And I got all the, what used to be the door jamb areas worked out. There are some little knots and bumps. It's not as smooth as I want it, but the customer said that we don't have to be perfect with this. It kills me to do that, but I'm doing what he said, so. All right, we'll move around over here to an interesting part. I've talked about how this thing was wrecked, and I should have got some pictures before, but right across there where that tape is, that corner was just caved down, beat all to heck. I mean, you might can see some of the ripples left in the middle there, but it was that way all the way down there. So, to get this side like the other one, which I'll get a little glance of it. What I did is had to weld on a new strip here that holds the rubber trim for the hood seal. Got that welded on, ground the welds down. Then I went back and taped right on top of that little piece of trim or whatever it is that's on there. And then stuck tape down on the edge between the fenders. And I used some fiberglass reinforced Bondo, some people call it kitty hair. And I just packed that stuff down in this crack and as tight as I could, all in little ripples, and you know, they were ground down so it would stick good. Packed them really tight and took the Bondo spreader and stood up on edge right as the Bondo this fiberglass reinforced Bondo started kicking in. And I stirred it up on edge and wiped it down there, tried to get a somewhat similar shape to what it's supposed to be. And I pulled my tape off before it got set up all the way. Now I've used a paint paddle and some 36 grit. And as you see here, I'm working on getting this down to where it's smooth with that piece of steel that holds a rubber seal. And, you know, it looks like hammered dog crap right now, but it's nowhere near being finished. I just thought I'd show what I've done, do a little progress here. Make a long story short, this will all be seam sealed where water won't get in it. And I'll get some regular body filler on top of that, smooth it all up. The fender's got to come off before I do all that because I have to finish inside here and make sure it's flat so the fender fits good. Then get it all primered, put the fenders back on it, work the fenders, and take them off, and then put some color on the inside of the body there where the fender's bolt on. Put the fenders back on again and sand it all and put the hood on it and paint it. So that's an update. YouTube, I don't know what it is with your little thing about your music deal. I don't like it, but there ain't no much I can do about it. So hope my videos help. If you like, you know, subscribe to the channel. I upload all kinds of weird stuff that I work on here. Everybody have a good day.